year at USW, on our strength and conditioning degree, you'll develop the knowledge, experience, and also gain qualifications while you're studying. Those are the three things that industry are looking for. All our lectures are followed by 2 hours of practicals, so we take from a theoretical standpoint and then apply that in a practical setting. We encourage our students to undertake placements through the degree within professional settings such as Cardiff City, Cardiff Rugby, with Sport Wales, and then we also have students that undertake an internship abroad.
I just like that sense of accomplishment that we've learned and taken the knowledge from the course and applied it in real life, and I don't really feel like you get that chance with a lot of other courses.
I've always been involved in weightlifting programs, but it's actually knowing how the body works from like an anatomy point of view, which I found really interesting.
Our students move on to working as personal trainers, paramedics, going into teaching, policing, and it's great to be able to see the students move on to be successful.